Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. If you love practical but gorgeous cups to drink your tea and coffee out of, you gotta check these out.
Luxtea has done it. They have made a drinking glass where I finally don't spill down my chin every time I take a sip. I love the domed glass. The opening is a little smaller than the base, and for me, that's all it took for me not to be messy. I love that you can microwave these cups, and that makes it so convenient for getting a quick tea in the day or evening. I also love that they're easy to clean. I can put them in the dishwasher and they come out so pretty. They're even great for putting in the freezer if you wanted to chill the cup down. I like these cups so much, mostly because they're beautiful but practical in the sense that it holds 14 ounces of fluid. So I have all the coffee that I need right at my fingertips. This borosilicate glass is very strong, and I love these vertical stripes. It's very edgy, and even with the yellow handle, it's that extra flair. It makes me feel very good about what I'm drinking because it tastes good and it looks good at the same time.
I love them, but that's just my point of view.